In today's rapidly changing world, economic reforms like GST are shaping our financial landscape. Imagine a system that impacts every aspect of our lives, from the way businesses operate to the prices we pay. That's the power of Goods and Services Tax, or GST, a monumental tax reform in India. Hey there. Welcome to our educational journey into the heart of GST. I'm thrilled you've joined us as we dive into this comprehensive and crucial aspect of our country's economic framework. We'll explore the depths of GST, unraveling its significance and impact on our lives. GST isn't just an acronym, it's a game changer. It stands for efficiency, integration, and growth. This tax reform amalgamates multiple indirect taxes into one, simplifying the tax structure and enhancing administration. The goal? To bolster our economy by creating a unified market. Now, why is understanding GST so important? Picture this. Every transaction you make, every service you use, all impacted by GST. It's more than just a tax. It's a force that touches the very fabric of our economy. Our project here aims to unravel the complexity of GST, especially for students studying commerce. We believe it's crucial to comprehend the economic policies shaping our nation, empowering us to make informed decisions. Let's not forget the significance of GST rates, which vary across sectors and even countries. Comparing India's rates to places like Malaysia offers insights into its far-reaching implications. As we delve deeper, we'll touch on GST's influence on businesses, consumer behavior, and the broader economic landscape. And hey, stick around till the end as we cover a variety of related topics, from GST features to crafting a project on this crucial subject. By understanding GST, you're not just learning about taxes, you're gaining insight into how our economy functions, evolves, and affects us all. Speaking of which, our keywords today aren't just for SEO, they're windows into the scope of our discussion. From class projects to GST's impact, these keywords outline the diverse facets we'll be exploring. So, buckle up for an enlightening journey into the world of GST. From its inception to its effects and beyond, we're here to navigate